Hey friends, looky here. You know what this is? This is what I'm doing on the show today. This is a rooted cutting. Look at those roots. So this is Friday, so this is my personal invitation, y'all. I'm just now getting all my peas together here. Just finished having some lunch. You're invited to my live shopping show that happens at 12 noon Eastern time on Fridays, right? And today's show is all about two of my favorite things. And first off, one of them is something I'm going to be doing every single week now until fall. And that is, if you haven't already guessed it, sunflowers. Do y'all know what early bird sunflowers are? Y'all, that's on the show today. If you're a flower farmer, ears up, cash cow, literally. So join me at 12 noon Eastern time inside the app. So you can really watch the show here through Instagram, but I am telling you that if you download our free app, the experience is over the top better. First off, you get to participate in the giveaway. I give away a $25 store credit every single week, y'all. You want to be inside. And when you're on the inside of the app, you can also carry on with the other viewers, which there's always a spirited conversation going on in there. So if you've never attended our live shopping show, y'all think QVC with Lisa showing you the gardening stuff she uses. That's me, y'all. If we have never met, I am glad to have you hook up with us today. So here's what you need to do. You can either comment app here, APP, and I'll DM you a link to download the app, or you can just simply go to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop. We actually have two apps. There's a shop app and a learn app. The shop app is where the live show happens. You can also shop in there. You can watch replays of previous shows. The Learn app is what's home base to my membership and my online courses. And here's the thing, even if you don't have one of our online courses and maybe you're not a member of my club yet, if you download the Learn app, there's a free online course inside there waiting for you. It's how to build that garden, that trellis tunnel. You know, I have a 50-foot trellis tunnel here on the farm that is gorgeous and amazing. I show you how to build it. That's in the course, so you might want to think about doing that. They're both free. Doesn't take but a nanosecond. Download the app, grab your lunch, get a beverage, and come on for, we are doing early bird sunflowers, and the other thing I'm doing today are cuttings of salvia. So don't miss the show. Hope to see you 12 noon Eastern time on the inside, friends. Till we meet again. Hey, don't forget, I have a free webinar tonight. Come and learn more about that too. Ciao.